Guys, welcome back to DavTech YouTube channel. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get MTN MoMo Advance loan. The MoMo Advance loan, you can use it to make a withdrawals or to buy airtime, to buy data, and to do some other things like doing payments. Now with MTN mobile loan, you have to first subscribe by you accepting the terms and conditions so that you can be eligible for it in case you have money that you want to send or you want to withdraw but you don't have enough money. So for example, if you have like 10,000 and you want to make a withdrawal of that 10,000, it is not going to be possible because that one will not be enough to cover even the withdrawal charges. But if you apply for MTN MoMo Advance loan, then they are going to give you and you can make a withdrawal of exactly what you have in your account. Or you want to make a payments but you have less money, or you have a fixed money that cannot pay what you want to pay, and also the charges. Now here is how you can do all that. So go to your phone and dial *165. Then you click on hash, then you select the line, which line is your MTN in. Now from here you go and select option 5, which is savings and loans. So we tap and select option 5. Now from here we have more cash, phone loans, then we have MoMo Advance, more Pesa, more Sente, extra cash, then Zeno, then we have back and next. If you click on next, then you are going to other loans and savings services in this MTN. But what we want is one that is MTN MoMo Advance, which is option number 3. So now from here we select option number 3. Then as you can see here, it says yellow, please read the MTN MoMo Advance terms and conditions at http. This is the website that you have to follow. Then enter your MTN MoMo PIN to accept, that is to accept the terms and condition. So if you want first of all to read the terms and condition, so you can copy this link or you write it somewhere. Then now after you read the terms and conditions, you come back and do the same way I have shown you. Then you click on you enter your PIN and you send. So for me, I'm just going directly to enter my MTN mobile money PIN and I accept the terms and conditions. So after me entering my MTN mobile money PIN, now I will come and click on send. Here it says yellow, your MoMo Advance request is being processed. Please wait final confirmation SMS. Now here I am going to wait for a confirmation message from MTN that will show me that they have accepted. So now here you can see that I have received their message that is from MTN. Here it says yellow, your MTN MoMo Advance application was not successful. Please continue actively transacting on MoMo to be eligible for the service. So it means that if you have been using MTN for some time, then you can now be eligible for it. Once you just accept the terms and condition, then you'll be eligible for it there. And then as you can see, mine here is telling me that currently I am not eligible because my application was not successful. But if you have been using your MTN card for making withdrawals, sending money, buying airtime, buying data, just active mobile money account or active SIM card, then you're going to accept. So once they accept it, then there and then you're going to be eligible for some amount of money. So after you applying and they tell you maybe that you're eligible, so you can go back and check by just dialing *165 *5 hash. Then you select the line. Then from here you just go to that very procedure, which is option 3. But of course for me, I cannot access it because my number is not successful. So guys, that is all I wanted to show you in today's video. So apply for that and get this MoMo Advance that will help you to make your withdrawals of exact money that you want, or to send exact money that you want to send in case you don't have extra money in your account. So guys, subscribe, like, and share this video. I am coming back with more videos. Let's meet in the next coming video.